How's everybody doing? Welcome to the show. How's everybody? Oh my gosh, let's go. Funded Subham, congratulations. Let's get serious. Let's get serious, everybody. Let's get super serious now. Back to our regular music. All right, good morning, everybody. Moses, hello, good morning. Funded Subham, congratulations again on the W there. Troops, welcome. Fernando Diaz, hello there. Investors in the house. Troops, what's up, what's up? Claudio, hey, everything's well. Thank you for joining us, Claudio. We love to have a good vibe. That's what it's all about, right? We love the good vibes, everybody. We want to get the dance. Hey Randall, welcome back. Chopped up team. Yeah, I had a trade earlier. It was before the stream. It was a great trade. That's why I was a little bit hyped up. It was a really good trade. But yeah, overall looking good. I did really good on the Apex funded accounts today. So these are Apex fundeds, ready for payout. This one, this one not so much, but this one is fairly new, but also like this was the trade here. This account alone, I did not copy trade this, but this was the account that took the trade here. And I don't even know what is this. Oh, that's a new take profit trader test account. And I need to work on this lonely TRADEIFY account. Only a few $100s left on this one. So I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I guess it's not going to be happening on a Friday. I will leave it for next week. So, but I have more accounts. I need to connect some more accounts here. So I don't want to trade these. I'm going to find some new accounts. These are already good. Hello, Terry Trades is here, everybody. Terry Trades is back, everybody. Can you take payout back to the buffer on Apex? Yeah, so the buffer is 2,100 on the 50K accounts. Now that Terry is here, everybody, now that she's here, I guess it's time to party again. So let me put this song back again. And this song is for Terry Trades. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fill my needs. Who said trading is boring? All right. Let's get back to trading because we're gonna go to a party stream again. Yeah, we had quite a drop, by the way. Okay, we have relative equal highs on gold, by the way. Party Friday. All right, sorry. Let's get serious, all right? Let's get serious. Let's get serious, everybody. We need to get serious. This is a trading stream after all. It's meant to be boring, and it's meant to be really slow. So, you know, let's tone it down. Let's get boring. Let's get slow. All right. Let's get back to the Zen. All right. Yeah, let's smash that like. Okay, so yeah, this is gold. So talking about gold, we still have the 1 minute supply zone up there. Now what's interesting is we still have relative equal highs here. So I think that's the drawn liquidity. I might be wrong, of course. I might be wrong, and I was thinking to maybe take a position on this. I think I missed my opportunity though, to take along and target that relative equal high up there. I can still take it. I just don't know which account should I take it on. Hold on. Which account should I take this trade on? I mean, why not, you know? But anyway, I do like the some bullish signs on gold. Victoria Samolenko, hello. Oh my gosh, I do need to read the chat. If I forgot to say hello or good morning to everybody or anybody, then good morning and hello to everyone. Welcome to the stream. This is just, you know, a bit of a crazy stream. Hello, Farhad, hello there. And Farhad Faizi, hello. Terry is here with us, so we're already having an awesome time. Libra, hello. ES Futures Lab. Samage, what's up? What's up? Disciplined Futures Trader, hello. Let's all smash the likes. This is the 5 minute time frame. You can usually check the chart on the down right corner here. You see that this is the 5 minute. If I switch to the 15, it will switch as well down there. Camilla, hello! Hol voltam itt voltam, kivéve szerdán. Várjál, szerdán nem voltam itt. Egyébként itt végig itt voltam. Végig. London, New York. Camilla is asking like, where was I in the past couple? I was always here. Maybe the New York sessions were a little bit shorter, but I was here. I was here. You're welcome. All right, so what is going on? I'd like to see gold pushing higher. So I took a probe trade on gold, by the way. Let me put this out here for you guys. So this is a probe trade, all right? Which means it's only on an evaluation account, at least for now. And it's only 1 micro on gold. All right, so here it is on gold. My entry is terrible. I should have entered at 65.3, but whatever. And I'm gonna target, let's say, you know what? Let's target 93. 93 is a good target, right? Bulomaster, hello. Azarul, hello. Do I seeing a dream? How TOMSABO? I'm live. Am I live? I'm live. I'm alive. Maybe. I did have a shorter stream. And because we don't really have any news event, well, we'll see what's gonna happen. Let me just add the TP on this one. Let's add the TP to 93. And let's get a stop down to 51.3. All right, 51.3 should be okay. I'm fine with that, completely okay. That's it. And that would be on gold. Very small position, basically the smallest one, micro. But if it starts to go crazy down, well, maybe I'm just gonna close it manually. But yeah, look at that. Okay, so I threw out this 40 bucks on the window by not waiting for the proper entry. Actually, I could have waited more. I feel like we're gonna go down to 61.5. I don't like it. I could add one more because this is an eval anyway. 61.6. Do I want to do that? I can add one more at 60. What's the low of this? 61.4. You know what? Let's add another micro. If it goes down there, it will be a little bit heavier. This is an evaluation account, all right? So let me just clear that. Some of you guys just tuning in. This is an eval. This is not a funded account. Funded accounts today, I am doing extremely well. That's why I'm super overhyped, because I'm feeling the weekend. But, you know, you can still work on some evals. And yeah, NQ is pretty much just stop there. You know what? I think if we can continue higher than 368, I might jump into a buy on NQ as well. Do you announce in the London session that you are going to do the 7? Yeah, troops, not always, because I have a little bit of a busy daily schedule, IRL stuff and things like that. And I'm not always sure if I can make it back until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard, or maybe 7:15. But, you know, that's a good idea. Maybe I should announce it if I'm 100% sure that I can get back, or maybe not. But I will do my best. Yeah. How much account do you have? Currently, I have, I think, 6 funded accounts. I had 8, but I blew up 2. 6 funded, and I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 evals currently. The maximum fundeds I had at one time was 16, but I kind of realized that if I'm working on, if I'm copying all the fundeds, that's too much stress for me. So instead of doing that, I'm just kind of copying them in some smaller groups. Gold is making equal lows. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. Let's look at the higher time frames. Well, at least we swept that swing low, but I don't want to see it go lower. I want to see gold go a little bit higher, at least until that relative equal highs up there. That would be great. So yeah. If you do, it would be great if you announce it at the end of the London stream. Yeah, that is actually a good idea, troops. That is a good idea. I will do that. I will do that. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, troops. Duly noted. And thank you for noticing me. Yeah, that is actually a good idea. I'm out of coffee. Anyone wants coffee? I can get some. Which prop firms? I have currently, so I had a funded account at Take Profit Trader. I blew that, unfortunately. And I had a funded account with Lucid, which I also blew up. So currently I'm down to 4 funded accounts at Apex. I have a funded account at Bulenox, and I do have another funded account. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Then I have 7. I have a funded account at TRADEIFY. And where do I have another funded account? I do have another one somewhere. No, I have a TRADEIFY. Is that it? Oh, it might be it, guys. Oh yeah, might be it. So I'm pretty much heavily exposed on Apex right now. This is why I need to work on the others. I had a funded account. So I was working for 2 or 3 weeks on an eval at MyFundedFutures on a rapid. I got the funded account and I blew it up in 2 days. 2 days I lost the brand new funded account. I was so mad at myself. I don't know. I don't know why it happens. I was extremely mad at myself for losing the MyFundedFutures rapid funded account. And I was also mad when I lost the Take Profit Trader account, the funded. So what can you do, right? Morning espresso. Nice. The logic behind this trade, sure. Let's go. So the logic behind this trade is somewhat easy. I'm really trying to keep it always as simple as possible. The logic is that we swept sell side liquidity, which was a swing low to the left here. Nothing special. This was sell side liquidity. Obviously, we have another one here, but anyway. And we swept another sell side liquidity, I think there, and maybe even there. I'm not even sure. Here, there, and there. Look at that. All this sell side liquidity, sorry, I'm just going to zoom in. All these horizontal lines are sell side liquidity levels being swept completely on gold. Okay, that's number one. We had a displacement, but I was not at my computer, so I missed this move. So also, in between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., I usually don't like to take a trade because it's out of the kill zone. Time and price is important. I think so too. So ICT also talks about this. I do also believe that time and price is important. So this I didn't take. But in terms of target, we still have a 1 minute supply zone up there. And we have a relative equal highs here. This one and this one. So I thought that because the supply zone is still there, it has not been broken. And this was a very clean shift. It couldn't be any better than this. This was a really clean shift. Obviously, it can still go down, but then why not use the second leg of the move to jump into a trade? So I put the fib tool here. And I was just looking for an optimal trade and like a 50% retracement. Now you might ask, okay, but you entered at 68.6. Yes, I did. I manually entered earlier, so my entry is absolutely trash. But I did put a limit order down into this fair value gap on gold, just in case if it wants to spike down. I'm gonna pick up another micro. And once it does, and you know what I'm going to do? If it picks up that order, and if it would just go down like this and back up there, I'm going to sell my first position. So I'm going to get out from the first position. And my original entry will become 61.4. But the target will still stay the same. Maybe I'm going to bring it down to 91.4-ish. So that's the logic. It's a bit of a risk, I know, but it's an evaluation account. But if it can pick up the 61.4 and goes back up there, I'm gonna sell one micro, and then the second micro can go to the target. That would be the plan. I lost in 2 days Lucid Fund. Oh yeah, exactly. It's so frustrating. Yeah, exactly, Terry. Like. Yeah, frustrating. It's a new day. Yeah, Terry is here. Terry, we love Terry. She's here with us. Secret to become a successful trader is to become the best loser. Yes, exactly. By the way, thank you for saying that, Camila, because that's what it's all about. To become the best loser. That's the success. One of the basic things here to become successful. Yeah. The secret to become a successful trader is to become the best loser. Yes. We love Jerry. Terry is here with us. Eggs, that's the hardest part of trading. Yeah. Adrian, hello. I'm passing the best loser challenge with flying colors. Well, you know, you have to learn from the mistakes, but you know, there's no problem, you know, by losing and getting put on the ground. The problem becomes when you stay there, as Muhammad Ali would said, or would say it, as and also said, like, don't stay there, just keep going, keep going. That's what it's all about. I think this order will be picked up. Going to avoid NQ. I'm still liking those levels up there on NQ. I'd like to see a shift, a push through 368. How are we doing with the likes, by the way? Let me check it. How are we doing with the likes? Okay, order got picked up. The order got picked up. We are at 33 likes. Let's go. So now comes the hard part, to start praying, right? Okay, I really have to be careful with this one. Because if it starts to go crazy to the downside, I might have to cut it manually. I don't want to give all the profit. This is an evaluation account. Again, if you're just tuning in, this gold trade is on an eval, not funded. But still, somehow I need to make sure I'm not going to burn this account too much. So I'm putting it back there, reducing the stop a little bit. And you know what? I'm going to sell one micro at 68. Which is going to be the initial position. So first in, first out, right? Oh my gosh. If I can optimize this trade, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Anyway, we'll see. This is gold, yes. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Thank you so much, Adrian. Thank you. I appreciate it. Whoa, Muhammad Anarzi. Hello there. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Thank you. Is hedging allowed in the prop firm? No. No hedging is allowed in futures. 42 likes already. Let's go. We can get about 50. Of course we can get about 50. You know what I find interesting? If you look at where you are relative to this week's open more often than not continues. So NQ below, so we might, yeah, it could be a choppy Friday for sure. It could be, unfortunately, yes. Oh my gosh, troops. Thank you so much. 5 take profit trader accounts. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, man. Oh my gosh, the 50% sale is still on. Yes, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. The flash sale at Take Profit Trader is still on. No activation fee. The best payout policy out there, by the way. I mean, yes, the MyFundedFutures also have an amazing payout policy, just like, for example, TRADEIFY. But like, I still believe that, you know, Take Profit Trader has a very simple and really good payout policy. So thank you for the support. Mohammed, welcome again. Is it risky to get bullish on gold as it's very much? Yeah, it definitely is bearish. Guys, I am definitely disappointed in gold right now. I was really hoping that this is going to pick up and just go higher without sweeping these levels down there, but it seems like it's just going to happen anyway. So the drawdown on the evaluation account is end of day. On the funded account, it's intraday. It's intraday, but only until you reach the safety net. But the payout policy is wow. That is really, 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 really awesome. Zoli, hello there. Welcome. Good morning or good evening. Üdvözöllek. Welcome. Oh my gosh. I think I need to cut this trade, guys. I think I need to cut it. Anyway, I'll let it play out. You know, if we have a miracle, it can maybe turn around. Who knows? Yes, somewhat like Apex used to be. Yes. Yeah. So this is the account currently that I'm suffering. I'm still in profit. As you can see, it was in profit $337. I am down 164 on this one. So even if I lose this trade, I should be able to stay in the green. But needless to say, I'm a little bit disappointed in this gold trade. But these ones are ready for payout. These two accounts are ready for payout, which is good. Look at this. Oh no. Come on. Once you get over the buffer TPT, the funded accounts feel exactly, troops. Exactly. That's why I'm also saying, like, once you get the buffer level, and that's where the magic happens, guys, at Take Profit Trader. Once you get to the buffer level, that is such a great feeling, because from then, anything you make any single day, like, or every single day, if you make profit, you can withdraw it to your wallet. So it's going to be deducted from your account. You know, whenever you click on it, it relatively takes only a few hours, especially, or even less. They're going to approve it and deduct it to your wallet, and you cannot lose that profit anymore. And you can continue to trade with the account. And, you know, if you make $100, $200, whatever, you can just constantly pulling out the money above the buffer and just, you know, get those payouts. It's really good. Yeah, I think it's going to hit the stop loss. I think so too. Yeah, unfortunately. Has to be consistent. That's true. How to overcome from drawdown. How to overcome? Trade small. You know, trade small. That's the only solution. All right, I think it's time to cut this trade, guys. Maybe. What do you think? Should I cut it? I think I should. No, let it go. I'm just going to let it take the full stop. It's easier. I'm just going to let it take the full stop. So trade small. Small as possible, and you know, try to focus on the trade setups. Oh my gosh, Bull Barbie. Oh my gosh, Bull Barbie is here in the chat. Jesus. Barbie is here with us. Oh my god, Barbie. How are you doing? It's so good to see you. What size account you feel is best to trade? I'm pretty much wired into the 50k accounts, but I do have a 150k account too. Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you, Barbie. Doing well. Awesome, awesome. We love Barbie. We miss you from streaming. I mean, we have to do some joint stream or something. 53, 56. Oh yeah, we're still kind of hovering here. I don't know if we're gonna go higher. Who doesn't love Barbie, right? Everybody loves her. Okay. Need to see more. I know. More speedo pictures. Exactly. Exactly. We also need to see more Barbie smiling and teasing us. uh 53 likes. Let's go, everybody. The cancer intraday. Yes, the funded stage. Yes, exactly, true. So yeah, so the funded stage intraday. But you know, that's why I'm saying small steps, baby trades, one by one. Once you get to that buffer stage, that's where the magic will happen. Yeah, 50Ks are, I think the 50Ks are kind of a sweet spot. By the way, 25Ks are also really good. Mathematically speaking, those are the easiest, quote unquote easiest. But yeah, I think the sweet spot is 50K. I don't know. Are the gold zones from where I call the sell? Where did you call the sell from? I don't know. Where did you call it? Intraday should be illegal. Well, you know, Romeo, I do agree what you're saying. Like, obviously, prop firms do see the recipe. That's where they make money on those traders who are not consistent, who are not disciplined enough. So we know that that's the thing. Different 50K flex versus pro when it comes to MyFundedFutures. I would go maybe with the flex, but I would only say that because I'm not really looking to, at least not now, I'm not really looking to get 10K, 20K payouts. So I'm not really looking for big home runs in payouts on each of my accounts. So if I can take out $1,000 or $2,000 ish, whatever, I take it. So for that reason, the flex account is more suitable for me. But that being said, the big money, quote unquote, the big money is being made or could be made on the pro accounts, right? But for my personality, flex account is a little bit closer. Although the pro is great too. So I completely understand, Randall. I know, Randall, that you are definitely an advocate for that, and you know, I'm not blaming you. I'm gonna put back a sell order there because that was my initial entry. So I would love to sell my first order or first position or first whatever contract, sorry, at 68, so I can just manage only one contract on gold. So if it spikes up there to 68, I would gladly sell it. And then my entry should be moved down to 64 point something. And once it does it, then I will put back my TP. So right now, I just want to peel off one contract, if possible. Because my entry, I messed up my entry completely on gold, so I'm okay. Yeah, so gold is still here. These are the targets that I do like, and I would love to see it go up there, but unfortunately the current situation does look like it could be a head and shoulders situation to go lower, down to 4,500 maybe. Unfortunate. Let's see the 15 minutes. Let's see the 1 hour. Oh my gosh, I need to see the 4 hour. Are we going down here? Oh, I feel like we will. Look at all that water falling down. I could be easily offside here. And we have relative equal lows. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So 4,500 could be happening. But yeah. I don't like it. I really thought that we are going to take that 45.93-ish area, 91.8 up to 93-ish. That would have been awesome. Yeah, it's forming exactly, Adrian. It's kind of forming the base right now. It's ready to just take the elevator down. And I was hoping that it will spike up there and I can get out from one position because of the bad entry. Actually, I could just sell one position now. How about that? I'm just gonna sell one contract. Boom. There you go. I sold it. So I realized a bit of a loss, but the account is still in profit right here. I still have 217 profit, but at least my entry is okay. 53 is gonna be final TP. Sorry, that's gonna be my sell stop. And if it would go higher, now this would be a great runner. Sorry, I was looking at NQ. So 45.89. That would be it. 45.88.9. Okay, so that would be the final one, but chances are that it's not gonna go there. But anyway, took some risk off. There was a single fill for 700. Wow, at 290. Wow. Spy closer to the open. That is a lot. 700 lots. Okay. We are at 55 likes, everybody. 55. Not glad about this gold trade, that's for sure. 700. So was it? I guess that's contracts, right? So 700 contracts. That's a lot. That could be that's a huge market mover with 700. But I don't know. Well, it seems like that the gold trade is not really doing this thing. Uh-oh. I think I made the right decision of peeling off a little bit from that contract there. Yeah, I think it's pretty much done. Oh, you changed contracts today and yields are going crazy. Could be. Looking for a short on oil. Huh. Short on British pound. Nice. Wow. Okay, so the gold trade is gonna go into the dumpster most likely. Not much to look for here. So how's this account? So if I lose this trade, I still should be having about 150 or 60 bucks left and in profit. So that's good. That is good. I'm okay with that. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. We are missing some bullish momentum here. We are at 59 likes. Can we get to 100? Already at 59. Let's go to... We need 41. Easy. We can do that, guys. Easy. You did well in your Australian dollar show. Let's go. Let's get... We need 40. 40 more to go. Only 40. Let's go. 37. Yesterday, guys, we had 300 and I don't know, 330 something viewers. That was amazing. That was an all-time record yesterday. Thank you so much, Devil Jin. Thank you, thank you. 34 to go. All right. Hmm. It's very thin. The bit spread is 5 ticks. Okay, so it can do some crazy moves any second. Oh, look at NQ. Okay, NQ is going lower. I don't think I want to scalp NQ right now. At least not at this point. But it does feel like it wants to take that sell side there. Not sure. Okay, come on, gold. Just get over with it. Okay. Let's just spike down and get it done. All right, it's done. Are you compare gold with dollar? No, not really. I know many of you guys are watching the dollar index. I do also check it, but when I scalp, maybe when I want to do some scalping, it could be useful. Gold goes up, USD goes down. Yeah. All right, so this was the gold trade. Small one, thank God. It was a small trade. And it didn't go for that supply zone up there. Algorithmic trading solutions. Hello. Anchor is under yesterday's low. I think that's where we are all headed lower. You know, that's actually a good observation. Yeah, that might happen. That might just happen. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, I am not going to take another trade. So this was a really short stream right now, but I'm not interested to take another one. So could be a TGI Friday. So thank you everybody for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 57 minutes. So the day is not over, but I'm not taking a trade until after the market open. Thank you for being here, Trem. Thank you for dropping in. If you would like to support the channel, I would highly appreciate that. Thank you for all the support. Please use the code TOMSABO. It's up there. You see it in the banner for all these prop firms that you see up there to get the best available discount. And not just about that. It has been scientifically proven once you use the TOMSABO code, it's going to give you a 1.98% better chance of passing any evaluation accounts. So that's a fact, by the way. So, and if bit of an extra luck. So thank you so much for the support and everything. Monday the show goes on, but again, I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. Tune in. It's gonna be a crazy Friday stream. And what else? Oh yeah, recharge on the weekend. Stay safe, and most of all, God bless you all. All right, so take care. Have a good one. See you on the flip side or on Monday. Cheers, everybody. God bless.